Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Ganesha Creations 24. I'm Ashish and today I'm going to show you how to fold an origami lotus flower. I'm doing this video specially for the festive season of Diwali so that you can use these lotus flowers as home decor or to light up your house using tiny tea light candles in them. They look really beautiful and I hope you guys really like it. If you do like the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and also mention your comments in the comment section below. And if you want to watch more such creative content, please subscribe to my channel. And now, without further ado, let's get folding. So over here we have, as I mentioned earlier, you will require 3 colors of paper: red, pink or orange, or you can go for yellow as well for the actual lotus flower. And for the petals you'll always require the green color. And then in between, this is an optional piece, a yellow one. So the dimensions for all 3, I'll just let you know. So for the red and the green that I've taken here, the dimensions for these 2 are 14 centimeters by 7 centimeter. Alright, and the yellow one is 5 centimeters by 3 centimeters. So now we will look at how to fold the origami lotus flower. Alright, okay, so let's look at the folds first. Okay, so we will fold the petal and the leaf. Both are very similar and I'll show you where the difference is. Okay, so we'll start with the petal. I'll keep aside the leaf. Okay, so that's the petal for the lotus flower. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to hold it like this and then fold it in half. Alright, so once you know that it's aligned nicely from the center, crease and then open this. Once you open this, you have to fold all 4 corners towards the center. Okay, so this over here, this over here, right? So let's do that with the central line that we have, the central fold here. So while keeping that in mind, you just align this centrally and crease, and then do the same thing for the other side. Okay, there, that's one fold. You turn it around and then do the other side. Alright, so that's what we have. Now we have to fold this side and this side towards the center. Okay, so I'm going to do the bottom side first. Align it towards the central fold that I can see here and then crease nicely. Once I've done that, I will open this fold up, rotate it and then do it on this other side. Okay, now I'll close this too and then just open it like that, or you could just hold it like that and then just fold it like this. So you have a fold here, and now let's look at the leaf. Alright, for the lotus flower. Now it's the same thing that we need to repeat. We're going to fold it like this over here. Okay, and once you've centrally folded it, crease it nicely. Again repeat the same steps, open it and then fold all 4 corners inward like this. So here, if you can see this, you just keep in mind the central line first and then fold the corners inside. Okay, then turn over and then repeat the same thing with the other side. Okay, now once you've done this, you will then have these 2 sides again fold inward like that. Okay, that's one side. You turn it around and you get the other side inward again, and then close these 2. Now what we did was with the petal we folded it like that, but with the leaf we're going to fold it inward like that. Okay, you see the difference? This is the petal and this is the leaf. Okay, for the lotus flower. So that is how you have to fold the rest of them. And now we look into how to assemble it. Okay, so let's look at how to assemble this one. So I've folded some other petals and leaves. So now I'll show you how to proceed with assembling all of this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I think yeah, 4 is fine. And we have about 8 of these petals. So what we're going to do is we're going to lift up each petal. So this one, and then I'm going to put this right under the other one. Okay, so that's how 2 petals together will look like. Okay, and you have to place these 2 on one petal. Okay, you've got 8 petals and 4 leaves is what we require. Okay, and yeah, I'm just going to put some weight on that one so that it stays that way. Okay, so that is one. So the next one again I'm going to assemble quickly. So just this one goes very properly. So that's how you put these under each other and then place it on a leaf. I'm just going to make sure that these are aligned properly from below and just place them like that. And then the next set. Okay, so look at this. So this way we can place it on the other leaf. Okay, so that is how we've done that. Alright, and this is the last set that we have. Okay, so if you see this, that's the set. Okay, so now I'm going to lift this quickly and hold these together like that. Okay, there you go. See, like that. And then we're going to use a rubber band and to hold these in place. Okay, so let me get a rubber band. Okay, so now I have a rubber band here, and so what we're going to do is just hold all of these together. Okay, and then let me just make sure that these are all, I'm just holding them on properly. Okay, so just put that rubber band in there like that, so that it all holds all of those. And then I'm just holding this one set and just folding it like this. Okay, that is just one set. This is the second set, and then I'm going to divide these two and just do that once. So we have this, a flower like base. Okay, and now to open up the petals. Okay, so I'm just going to open one petal at a time, because if you remember, we've got one petal on top of the other, right? So here, that is one. This is number 2. And that's how you can just go ahead and open all these petals here like this. Don't worry about the shape at the moment. You can work on that later once you've opened all the petals. So just focus on opening these first. a little bit of patience and practice. Don't worry, you're not going to tear off anything. But this is going to look really beautiful once you've completed the whole process. And this is really just, yeah, the last step in making this lotus flower. The reason why we're opening these petals a little far away from the center, that is because if you want to place those tiny candles that we get with the aluminum base, you can place those in the center so that the rest of your lotus does not burn. Because yeah, we don't want that to happen, of course, because we put in so much of effort here. And yeah, so you can do that. Now that we've opened up the petals, I'm just going to open up the leaves, okay, at the bottom, okay, the green leaves that we've put here in place. So yeah, you can just open those up like this. And yeah, apart from that, once this is opened up, you can then, if you don't want to use these, or you want to use a few of these for placing candles, then we're not going to use this yellow sheet of paper, which is 5 centimeters by 3 centimeters. But if you do want to use these and make them a little more beautiful, then you have to reduce this distance between the fold and the center. But before that, let's just see what we have to do with this. So I'm just going to fold this in the center quickly, and then again I'm going to fold again like that, and then with the help of a scissor, I'm just going to make small strips on here. Okay, so I've done that, okay, and then I'm going to fold it again. And now I'm just going to try and pull up this rubber band at the center like that, and then just try to shove this into the gap. Yep, once it's in there, let the rubber band go, and then you have to just pull these two ends together in the center, like that, and there you go. That's the center of your lotus. And then once I shorten, or I pull these a little closer, the petals, it's going to start looking even more beautiful, the lotus flower. So all I'm doing is placing a finger here and then pulling the petal a little hair forward, so the fold comes very close to the center of the lotus flower, right? And you get this really nice shape to it. I think I forgot this one, so yeah, okay. And then with the petals, yeah, you can just fold them like that on each side, on the outside, that is, right? So like that. So the petals look really nice outside, right? So that, I hope that is, yeah, that's all. So I have created another version of it in pink. So here, you guys, you can just adjust the shape, with your hands, really, and then go with it. So there you go, guys. That's our origami lotus flower, aka candle holder. Also, you can use these as decor. You can hang maybe an invisible string, or maybe, yeah, it's called or maybe, yeah, a wire, an invisible wire or invisible string, and then hang these to show them as if they're floating in the air, right? And yeah, I hope you like this video. Thank you guys, and wish you all a happy Diwali in advance.